These cute animal train journey YouTube videos might be the next viral AI trend on YouTube. And here's the crazy part. Almost no one is making them yet. That means you will have first mover advantage. Before this niche gets overcrowded like every other AI format, you can ride the wave early. Now let me explain why this works so well. Reason one, the brain has never seen this before. People have already seen animals, trains. Animation, but no one ever seen animals as trains. That's new. That's a new visual grammar. And the brain immediately reacts with, wait, what am I looking at? That 0.5 to 1.5 second confusion window is pure gold on YouTube Shorts. Confusion forces a pause. Pause increases retention. Retention triggers the algorithm. That's how videos explode without voiceover, without text, without explanation. Reason two, zero language barrier, which means global reach. These videos don't need dialogue, don't rely on jokes, don't depend on culture. A child in Brazil, an adult in Japan, and a viewer in India all understand it instantly. This makes the niche global by default, which is exactly what YouTube loves to push. Now, the question everyone keeps asking me, will this type of AI content be monetized? Listen carefully. YouTube does not have any rule that says AI videos are demonetized. AI videos can be fully monetized, but only if you do it the right way. What not to do, this is where most people fail. If you reuse the same visuals, mass produce low effort shorts, upload 50 to 100 identical videos a day, use zero branding, do zero editing, then yes, your content becomes low effort. And here's the truth. Most people don't want to hear, even if that video was shot with a real camera, it would still be considered low effort only. So the real issue is not AI. The real issue is lack of effort plus originality. So how do you do it the right way? Now that we understand the problem, let me show you the solution. To make these AI videos monetizable, algorithm friendly, and capable of going viral even with your first YouTube short, you need proper branding. Every video must feel distinct, intentional, and recognizable. And it starts with one thing most people ignore, a viral channel name that people remember from the very first short. Before I tell you how to do that, look at these videos without any branding. Now ask yourself honestly, if everyone creates the same type of animal train video, then what uniqueness will your video have? Exactly. That's why branding is not optional. It's mandatory. Branding is what turns a random AI video into a unique AI YouTube video. To make this easy for you, you don't need to overthink anything. You can simply use this one prompt to generate 10 viral channel name ideas that are optimized to help your first video go viral. All you have to do is paste this prompt into ChatGPT, replace the number 10 with however many ideas you want, and hit send. That's it. ChatGPT will do its magic and generate multiple high-potential brandable channel names. Every name it generates will already be niche relevant, memorable, and scalable for future videos. From those, you just pick the one you like the most. In my case, I'm going to move forward with the first option, the animal train. Step 2. Lock your branding and stay consistent. Once your channel name is finalized, you can now start creating videos with your own unique brand identity. That means same vibe, same theme, same naming pattern, same visual direction. This is how YouTube starts recognizing you as a real creator, not spam. Now, to make your task even easier, I've created a magical master prompt for you. This is a highly optimized, battle-tested prompt designed specifically for cinematic animal train journeys, unique visuals every time, high retention shorts, and scalable content creation. You don't need to modify anything. You don't need prompt engineering skills. You simply paste this prompt into ChatGPT, then enter your desired animal name in the animal name placeholder. Next, in the number of scenes placeholder, enter how many scenes you want to generate, but make sure you write the word scenes after the number. After that, in the branding text / channel name placeholder, simply enter branding equals your channel name, and once everything is filled, hit the send button. That's it. And now let ChatGPT magically generates everything for you. Since we entered 7 scenes in the placeholder, ChatGPT automatically generates image prompts, video prompts for all 7 scenes. Scene 1 is the train exterior, named the Red Panda Train. because we entered red panda in the animal name placeholder, and ChatGPT generated both the image prompt and the video prompt for this scene. Scene 2 is the forest natural car. Scene 3 is the playroom adventure car. Scene 4 is the music and rhythm car. Scene 5 is the cozy dining car. Scene 6 is the dreamy lounge car. And finally, scene 7 is the night observatory car. So now we have everything ready. It's time to generate images for each scene. Let's start by copying the image prompt for scene 1. Now go to gemini.google.com. You'll find the link in the description. Click on Create Image and make sure the Pro option is selected. Now paste the image prompt for scene 1. Very important step. If you want to create vertical videos for YouTube Shorts, you must add this at the end of the image prompt, AR916 once you enter it. Then hit Send. Within a few seconds, Gemini will use Nano Banana Pro and generate the image for scene 1. And as you can see, the entire train is made of a red panda. Just download this image. Also notice something very important here. Our channel branding is already visible inside the image. This is what makes the content unique, original, and monetization friendly. If you want horizontal images for larger screens, simply replace AR916 with AR169, and Gemini will generate a horizontal image instead. Now it's time to animate this image. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for scene 1. Next, go to Grok Imagine. Link is also in the description. This tool offers free AI image to video generation up to a limit. Once you hit that limit, you can simply create a new Grok account using a temporary email service and continue using it for free. Now, upload the scene 1 image, paste the video prompt for scene 1, and hit send. Within a few seconds, boom, Grok Imagine does its magic and generates the video clip for scene 1. Let's preview it. You can see this is a multi-shot cinematic clip. It looks incredibly cute. The red panda train. The red panda looking out of the window, smooth motion, strong visual storytelling. And again, our channel branding is clearly visible inside the video, which makes this clip unique and highly shareable. Now, many people ask this in the comments. The video resolution from Grok Imagine looks low. How do we fix that? Here's the built-in solution. Before downloading the video, click on the 3 dots, select Upscale Video. Within a few seconds, the video gets enhanced and you'll see the HD badge appear here. Now you can safely download the video in higher resolution. Repeat the same workflow for all scenes. Now do the same thing for scene 2. Copy the image prompt for scene 2. Go back to Gemini. Paste the prompt, add AR9 to 16 at the end, hit send. Within seconds, scene 2's image is generated. Again, notice cute visuals, cinematic composition, and custom channel branding inside the image. Now go back to Grok. Imagine, click the back button, upload the scene, to image, copy the video prompt for scene 2 from ChatGPT, paste it, hit send, and bingo. Scene 2, video is ready. Preview it. Same result, adorable red pandas, smooth animation branding clearly visible, completely unique content, upscale it, then download. Using this exact same workflow, I generated images for all remaining scenes. Just remember one thing, never forget to add AR9 to 16 at the end of every image prompt. Then you can animate all the images and turn it into these video clips, and you'll notice every single video contains your custom channel branding. That's what separates viral, monetizable AI content from low effort, reused AI videos. Now, simply open your favorite video editor, import all the generated video clips, and drag them onto the timeline in the correct order. Now, almost everyone asks this, how do we remove the watermark? The solution is very simple. Select all video clips, scale them to 115%. That's it. The watermark gets automatically cropped out, no extra tools, no plugins, no quality loss. Next, go to transitions, add a simple fade transition between clips. If you're using Filmora, set duration to 15 frames. If you're using CapCut, set duration to 0.5 seconds. Apply the same transition between all clips. This creates a smooth cinematic flow and keeps viewers watching till the end. Once everything looks good, preview the full video. If you're satisfied, export it with these settings. Resolution 2140 by 3860. Quality high hit export, and bingo. Your first animal train niche a YouTube video is ready. But wait, this alone won't make it viral. Creating a cute video is not enough. The real game is learning how to set up a viral ready YouTube Shorts channel that can explode with the very first short. And if you skip this part, you'll waste all the effort you just put in. Step 1 is finalizing the channel name. We already finalized our channel name earlier in this tutorial. That part is done. Now we need a professional scroll-stopping profile picture. Use this optimized prompt. Paste the prompt into Google Gemini. Replace the channel name placeholder add -AR 1-to-1 at the end. Hit send. And within seconds, Nano Banana Pro inside Gemini will generate a stunning profile picture for your brand new channel. Upload it. Next, we can use this prompt to generate the channel banner. Paste the banner prompt into Google Gemini. Replace the channel name placeholder. Hit send within seconds. Your high-quality channel banner is ready. Upload it. Now your channel already looks professional and trustworthy. Now we need to use this prompt to generate a highly optimized channel description. This helps YouTube understand what your channel is about, who it should show your shorts to paste. This prompt into ChatGPT, replace the channel name placeholder and hit send. ChatGPT will generate a viral ready channel description. Copy it and paste it into your channel settings. Next, use this prompt in ChatGPT to generate viral ready channel tags. Paste them into your channel tag section. This gives YouTube clear context about your niche. Now, set your channel country. If you want to attract high RPM USA audience, set the country to United States. Many people ask, what if I'm not from the USA? Answer yes. You can still select USA. Your channel country does not need to match your origin country. When monetization starts, you can choose your actual country while setting up AdSense. Next is choose the right channel category. Select entertainment as your channel category for this niche. Why? Because Shorts algorithm prioritizes entertainment, no expectation of explanation or education, global reach, kids-safe overlap. Do not choose pets and animals because it limits reach to animal lovers. Only our content is about journey plus mood, not pets next. Go to advanced settings and checkmark don't show potentially inappropriate words. This keeps your channel brand safe. Next step is critical. Most people skip it, then complain their channel isn't getting views. Go to feature eligibility, verify your mobile number to unlock intermediate features, then verify advanced features using video verification. After submitting, you'll see a pending status. Approval usually takes 24 to 48 hours. Now, we are almost all set, but before publishing your first YouTube short, we must warm up our newly create YouTube short account. And to do this, we need to set up profile picture, which is already done, channel banner done, channel description done, channel tags done, phone plus video verification done. Next, watch 20 to 25 shorts related to your niche. Like some of them subscribe to 10 to 15 related channels. Use the account normally for 24 hours. This tells YouTube this is a real human account, not a bot. Now here's what you must not do during warm-up. Don't subscribe to random channels. Don't leave random comments. Don't upload test videos. Now, some of you might be thinking when to publish your first short. The answer is only after 24 hours of warm-up. Do not publish before that. If you do, you'll kill your first video momentum. Now let's say you successfully warm up your account for 24 hours and you are ready to publish the first short. Now question is, what is best time to publish the first YouTube short? So the best time is 9 to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is full time zone chart based on your country. Now you know everything about publishing the first short, so let's do the preparation for publishing the first short. So we need perfect metadata for our first short. Simply use this magical metadata prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, enter the animal name, hit send. ChatGPT will generate viral shorts, title optimized description, SEO tags, high impact hashtags. use it exactly as generated, and publish your first short. But wait, here's a few more things you can't afford to miss right after publishing your first short. Don't edit title or description. Don't delete and re-upload. Don't panic if views are low. Don't upload another short within 1 hour. Don't touch metadata. Next important question is when to upload the second short and what should be daily. Short upload frequency. So you must make sure there must be minimum 6 hours gap between shorts. Now here's upload frequency. First 7 days, upload 1 to 2 shorts per day. From day 2 to day 30, upload 2 to 3 shorts per day. And here's the golden rule. Consistency always wins over volume. Uploading 30 shorts in 1 day does nothing. Uploading 2 shorts daily for 30 days can change everything. You must aim for 45 to 60 shorts in first 30 days. You only need 1 viral short to monetize this channel in next 30 days and must follow these strict rules if you want this channel to go viral. Don't mix niches, don't upload random experiments, don't chase unrelated trends, don't post 10 shorts per day, don't reuse the same clip. If you followed everything till here, you can realistically build a viral AI Shorts channel in 30 days. And if you watched till here, then please hit the like button and subscribe for more AI viral tutorials. Also comment what tutorial you want next. Let's target 1,000 likes on this video. All prompts and resources are in the pinned comment. And if you want to learn how to create viral AI renovation videos, you really don't want to miss that tutorial. I'll see you there.